possibly did.
Yeah.
But I'm
Just
gonna-
keep an eye on the
Okay.
timer that it continues to
It was
move.
going okay. I think I might
You
have
might have
touched
touched
the
something.
fucking screen.
Okay, so now we have our air idle screw in. We're going to gently seat it, very gently. And then we're going to turn it out 1.5 turns as its standard sort of starting setting. Very gently seated, very, very half, one, half again. So now we have a functioning carburetor. All of our control jets are in place, they're clean. Our float is clean, everything's good to go. Just to come back and touch on our accelerator circuit, we can see its orifice is here where it would take fuel in, and we can see it just comes in here and dumps right into the carb throat. Okay, this can be slightly different on different carburetors, but it's an accelerator pump explained, that's all it is. Here we have our choke, which is a simple here we have our choke, which is a simple choke plate, chokes off the air. Now here's part of it that people miss, and we just took this out to the shop to blow air through. These are called air,
No, yeah, it's good.
air control jets. They are integrated to these 3 circuits, right?
Okay.
We have a idle, low, and high, as we have an idle, or mid-range and high, I should say. So
Yep.
we have an idle, mid-range, and high on there. They work in harmony with these 3 circuits, and that's why we have to either spray a liquid through it or blow air through it to make sure they're working, because we can't get into this body to clean it.
We did, and they're working.
Yes, yeah. And as a test again, we go back to the manual, right?
Yep.
Just to make sure. And that's really it. Now, float height is crucial within about a 1/2 millimeter. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So that's measurable with different carbs in different methods. I can do it this way. I can use a, not a micrometer.
The opposite one.
Yeah.
I do know what you mean. I don't know
Yeah.
what it's called. Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes the other way as well.
Yeah, this older primitive carb, we're within a 1/2 mil would be adequate, right? And because there's very little wear here, and I was gentle not to bend the tank, I'm not even going to bother checking it. I can tell experience dictates that that is working adequately. And that's it. That's how a carburetor works. Yeah, that's it.
There you go.
Bingo. Did it make sense to you?
It did.
Okay. All right. Thank you, my friend.